Imagine you're scrolling through social media and you see an ad for a sleek, modern card that promises cashback, rewards, and a whole lot more. Intrigued, you click on the link and discover it's called the Vivid Card. But there's one question that's been nagging at you: is it really free? We've all seen those flashy ads that promise the world, but often there's a catch. So let's dive into the Vivid Card and find out if it's truly free or if there's a hidden cost. Understanding the Vivid Card. The Vivid Card is a digital-first banking platform that offers a variety of features, including cashback, earn cashback on your purchases. Rewards, collect points that can be redeemed for various rewards. Travel perks, enjoy travel benefits like airport lounge access and travel insurance. Customizable card, choose from a variety of card designs to suit your style. But is this all possible without paying a fee? The free tier. The good news is that Vivid does offer a free tier. This tier includes basic features, access to core features like cashback, rewards, and travel perks. No monthly fees, you won't be charged a monthly fee to use the card. Digital card, you can use the card digitally on your smartphone or computer. So far, so good. But are there any limitations to the free tier? Limitations of the free tier. Asterisk: while the free tier offers a lot, there are a few limitations. Limited cashback, you might earn a lower cashback rate compared to premium tiers. Fewer rewards, the rewards program might be less generous than for paid tiers. No physical card, you won't be able to get a physical card. If you want to unlock the full potential of the Vivid Card, you'll need to consider upgrading to a paid tier. Paid tiers. Vivid offers several paid tiers that provide additional benefits. Higher cashback, earn a higher cashback rate on your purchases. More rewards, enjoy a more generous rewards program. Physical card, get a physical card for in-store purchases. Travel insurance, benefit from comprehensive travel insurance coverage. The exact cost of each paid tier will vary, so it's important to compare the benefits and fees to find the best option for you. So, is the Vivid Card free? The answer is yes and no. While the basic tier is free, you might need to upgrade to a paid tier to fully enjoy all the features and benefits. It all depends on your individual needs and budget. Before making a decision, carefully consider the features you value most and compare the different tiers to find the best fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.